Hey everybody, welcome to the Property Chat with me, K, to the G, to the G, to the G, Zo. We're back again on a new week, new video, and in this video we're going to look at how much did you spend on the project that we just completed in South Africa. We spent 3 weeks, three to 4 weeks on a project and we completed it. You saw project, I showed you this video before you completed the video, before you completed the project, not the video. I'm obsessed about the video now, I don't know why. And I also showed you this video after we completed the project. Maybe you're wondering, maybe you're asking yourself questions, maybe you're shy to ask me because I'm more intimidating, you know what I'm saying, I'm joking. But you're wondering how much we spent on this project. It was not a big project, and how much did you spend exactly? Let's jump into video. But before we jump into video, if you are new, you're super welcome into the family, the Property Chat with me, KG Zo. And then if you are returning, man, I'm honored to have you back. And thank you so much for tuning in. And at any point, if you find this video interesting, informational, educational, because I want to educate, that's what I do. I'm a teacher and I'm interested in construction, in property, therefore I am teaching. If you find this video educational and you think, and you're like, I think this video can help this person, can help my auntie, can help my friend, please don't waste any time. Click on the share button, copy that link, go to WhatsApp because it's the fastest, and then send that link to them. Let them benefit from this video. Let's go into the video. So how much did we spend actually? So breaking it down. So we started off with sand, Mukaba, and we bought different sand. We bought plaster sand, we bought building sand, and we did concrete as well, just putting them together. And all in all, it was 2,800. Why 2,800? These three things that I mentioned, they were not bought at the hardware. It was slightly expensive. So there's the guys around where I was doing the project. They get it somewhere around the bush, and then it works because the builders don't complain. So that's how much we spent for it, and it was a lot. It was a lot of it. It was 2 bakkies, then the plaster, 4 bakkies, the building sand, and then we also had 2 bakkies the concrete. So we spent 2,800 on that one. To the next one, cleaning, rubbing, rooms. Once everything was done, we hired somebody to come clean. So we spent 600 in total. Building. So building, we bought bricks, and we bought the dump costs, we bought the trowel, we bought cement, and all of that costed us 3,940 rands. Transport. This was not a big project as the previous one. Therefore, we didn't move a lot, and it was just for 3 to 4 weeks. It was not as much, and we're just living close by. So we spent 1,250.50 cents. 50 cents. It's when you're asking somebody to fill up hotel petrol 200, then they decide to hotel 250 like. And when you're swapping, you're gonna pay that. But if you're paying cash, you don't pay. I don't understand why is that. I dislike it actually. But moving right along, communication. We need to buy. I bought airtime, I bought data, and then people that I was working with most of the time. We were communicating via WhatsApp, so leaving the calls and sending messages was WhatsApp. So I bought data, and it was bloody expensive. But yeah, I bought this one specifically for the project, which was 189 rands. And roofing, hood, maplanka, nails, the big area, screw nails, the IBR roofing sheets. We spent 2,250. Roofing sheets, we bought the second-hand. It's not second-hand actually. It's a big grade from a steel company, and it's quite a good quality. That's why I'm opting for this one other than any other ones from the hardwares. Hardwares, they selling soft too much. you can't even walk on them. On my first one, I bought those because they were cheap, and I've learned, and now I'm doing the right things. Plumbing has a lot of pieces. And we spent 3,539.87 cents. And what did we buy? We bought trap shower, 500 mm strap, flux, copper elbow, copper T, copper N, copper wall plate, like I'm coppering every time, Connex coupler, tape, valve angle, pipe copper, poly, some things I don't even know, but I'm reading them to you. So we learn together if you don't know like me. And we bought 90 plain elbow, copper socket, gas cartridge for the gas thing, the tiny little thing, I guess. I don't know what's called, that container. The wire, galvanized electric, toilet flexi, galvanized electric. Is this not under electricity? I don't know. Let's move forward. Toilet flexi, copper female. There's a female, there's a male. There's a lot of things happening with plumbing, man. And irritates me is like there's this tiny things all the time. There's hemp, we bought masking tape black, we bought masking tape black is for electricity. I don't know, I think so. We bought angle valve, we bought Connex male connector, we bought female adapter, flexi connector. There was a lot of things we bought here, they just can't fill in this screen of mine. So let's move forward. The idea is we spent 3,539.87 cents on plumbing. Hello. We did butlers, and we bought bonded washers, steel, square tube and flat bar, ultra lock for camera, the welding rods, butterfly hinges, like hinges, and then all in all we spent 4,150. Next one, doors, locks, river sand. So river sand it's with the doors, because what we did is we cut the wall at the back, and then we put a frame, and then we did rebuild. When you're rebuilding the thing, you need to put river sand because they say it's holding it better. Door frame, and we spent 1,475 rands. Ceiling was a bit costly, and we actually spent 6,050 rands, and we bought the following things: drywall screw, 10 rhino cornice, 11 rhino boards, 18 ceiling woods, a blanca, dry woods 1 kg, a dry wall screw 1 kg, nail wire 3-inch, that's a 1 kg as well, concrete nails 500 gram, 3 silicone, the bishop strip, 7 drill bit, so they can and 2 polyfiller, 2 ceiling wood, 3 silicone, 2 wide cornice, concrete nails, and silicone gun, because the guys forgot their gun, but that gun is with me. I'm not giving it to them. Electricity we didn't do much because already electricity was connected, and we only spent 801. So we bought the lamp holders, the downlights, looping box lid, globes, and lamp holders. I said lamp holders twice. So basically what we did with this one in the first bachelor pad, what we did, we installed the downlights. The downlights are more brighter, they make the house more exciting and lit, man. So we bought them, and then we also installed downlights in the other room, and then that was it. We didn't spend much on electricity. I know electricity is expensive, and then the wire that we used was from the previous project. That's why I didn't add it here, because we already spent on it. Next one, tiles. We spent 3,517.6 cents, and we bought 2 tile cement. 2 tile cement was a retail because we went and buy again. Tiles, bonding liquid, cements, grout, the spacers. Grey tiles for boxes, 320 kg. Going back and forth. You know, like the builders, they then say we need 320 kg cement. Then yeah, shorter, yeah, fella on the way. Then we go back and buy another 2, and then it's extra, and you don't know what to do with it. It's when you're in the project, when you're doing it by yourself as a project manager, you will understand what I mean. For now, let's carry on. 2 toilet seats. Toilet seats are not supposed to be here. You see, now I see my mistakes. It's supposed to be plumbing. But nonetheless, let's move forward. We grout, 5 kg, and the cement. Then we move over to carport. Lovely carport, huge, beautiful, and it covers the wall space. So carport, we spent 3,506 rands, 50 We bought Rawak, I don't even know how to say it. Rawak nail anchor, big grade steel, 7 IBR roofing sheets, tack screws, Superflex binding disc, 2-liter faders, and flange bracket. Some things, I'm just saying them, guys, I have no idea what they mean. Painting, 4,900, and this one we bought. Roof paint, white paint, 20-liter grey paint, 20-liter plaster prime, 5-liter rag rubber. 5-liter rag rubber. What the heck is that? 5-liter lime paint, 2 paint brushes, PVC white paint, paintbrush 500 MMT2. And I add a paintbrush. There's problem here. Labor. So labor we spend ceiling, labor for ceiling, waterproofing, painting, tiling, brickwork installation, and doors we spend 14,500. Carport, electricity, plumbing we spend 5,200. With the second one, let me explain. With the second one, 5,200 for carport, electricity, and plumbing, it was done by my cousin. Why is it this less? Or why is it not even closer to the previous one? Because my cousin and I had a deal that he was going to do some works for me, and I'm going to give him some things that I cannot mention in this video, so he can go and use it in his project. Therefore, that's why it's like this. So my cousin has a company, Linda Project, and it does quite a lot of things. I will share with you his contact details and his company profile. Quite beautiful things that they're doing, from carport, electricity, plumbing. He's now doing cupboards, ceiling. He does quite a lot of things. And yeah, that's why it's this. Then, all in all, how much did we guys spend? We spent on this project, the whole project, we spent 58,668 rands, 0.93. That's how much we spent to put this together, to move this property from 64,000 rental generating income to 98,000 per month. We spend that much money. And yeah, that's what we spend, and that's the end of the video. If you like this video, please let me know by hitting the like button. And if you have a question about anything, please don't highlight the mistake I've done. I'm aware of them. But if you want to make fun of me, go ahead, comment, and give me some slap. KG Wapa is what? Why are you doing these tiny, silly mistakes? I would understand, ask for apology. But if you have a question, like serious note, if you have a question, please let me know, and I will do my best to respond to your question. And if you like this video, hit the like button and join this community where we're talking property and property and property. And if you like this video, you will definitely going to like this one. And my people, we will see you on the next one.